This is the Lexus NX. For those unwilling to accept convention or settle for the status quo, there's a compact luxury SUV that reflects what drives you. Equipped with a turbocharged engine, an available F-Sport package that provides an elevated stance, aggressive design cues, and customizable drive modes. An available hybrid model boasts instant torque, superior fuel efficiency, and unparalleled performance with suspension for a premium driving experience. The NX was meticulously refined to offer an abundance of options to suit your every need. Outside, an available kick sensor tailgate lets you access the rear cargo hold when your hands are full. And 18-inch alloy wheel designs improve aesthetic appeal and handling. The imposing exterior of the Lexus NX showcases brave, purposeful design. Enhanced aerodynamics improve stability and handling and help to reduce cabin noise, while its bold lines have been further accentuated for both gas and hybrid models. Available layered triple beam LED headlamps derived from the LC500 Sports Coupe offer increased nighttime visibility and striking design cues, including beautifully styled high-output projectors. The NX now comes standard with LSS Plus technology, offering dynamic radar cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, and an adaptive front lighting system with automatic high beams that improve visibility by adjusting the projection of light to illuminate the road ahead, so you're sure to be as safe as you are comfortable. Lexus Enform starts with the Lexus app, which acts as a command center for all of your connected features. Enform Remote Services gives you the luxury of starting your vehicle from a smartphone or home device. An enhanced multimedia system offers an optional 10.3-inch display audio screen, including Enform Connected Vehicle technology. Enform Service Connect allows you to stay up to date with the health and maintenance requirements of your Lexus. You'll have access to vehicle health reports with information about your vehicle's status and maintenance needs, as well as the added luxury of using your paired smartphone to call your dealer and schedule an appointment right from your vehicle. Also included is Lexus Safety Connect, which provides enhanced roadside and emergency assistance, including automatic collision notification and stolen vehicle locator. Inside, the NX's beautiful interior is offered in 4 distinct color options. Its premium upgraded cabin, designed with unparalleled Takumi craftsmanship, provides a thoughtful layout, including luxurious ambience for 5 adults and an intuitive driver-focused cockpit. The remote touch interface, larger intelligent touchpad, reshaped palm rest for added comfort, and optional 10.3-inch display make navigating the NX's suite of display audio features an intuitive experience. The NX's standard all-wheel drive adjusts and directs power independently to all 4 wheels for enhanced traction on dry or icy roads. A cornering control function adjusts the front and rear driving force to compensate for understeer or oversteer. And its twin-scroll turbo engine produces an impressive yet fuel-efficient 235 horsepower. The NX Hybrid offers similar levels of performance with the assistance of a powerful electric motor for smooth and progressive acceleration in both city and highway driving situations, all of which help provide absolute control under any and all conditions. With its aggressive styling, luxurious interior, and array of standard safety features and driving technologies, it's time to reflect what drives you. Lexus NX.